our glasses because we wanted to thank each and every one of you for participating in our sunglass theme day on Wednesday that was just 2 days ago. So we just wanted to say thank you. We had a great turnout. We had great pictures sent in from both parents and teachers. I know we had fun with wearing our fun sunglasses on Wednesday. So we just wanted to say thank you for your participation.
And if you haven't seen all the photos that were taken, they're on our page now. So hopefully you can head to our Instagram or our Facebook or have your parents show you theirs. And hopefully you're following our page because we post all kinds of things. And we had so many participants for Sunglass Day. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you. All right. Well, these ones just make my hair a little crazy. So boys and girls, again, thank you. We wanted to say thank you. And we will get started with our flag salute. So I think Miss Mata is ready. And
Do you have the flag, Miss Romero?
What?
Do you have the flag?
I have the flag. Oh, I thought you were going to tell me something. I got excited. Okay, here we go, boys and girls.
All right, everybody, please stand. Put your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you. You may be seated or you can stay standing. You decide.
Great job. Okay, boys and girls, today we have actually quite a few announcements. It is a shorter assembly. You know, I'm gonna have to see if we could find a joke, but last week was our joke week. So we try to mix it up a little bit. But we wanted to start by saying that this week there are lots of things that are gonna be happening, or actually next week, not lots, but some fun things happening, some things to keep in mind as you're in the classroom. Before I pass it over to Ms. Mata for our events that will be happening this week, I'm going to share a couple and then she's going to share a couple. So to start off, just a reminder, keep working hard in class. A lot of you, actually majority of you, all of you will be participating in the writing assessment this coming week. May take a little longer than this week, but keep working hard. Your teachers are working hard and preparing for that. I got to go into classrooms this week and see students already in the writing process. So that was really cool. So keep it up. I'm so proud of all of you for persevering. Great job. Also this week, we are excited to announce that we're gonna be targeting different grade levels each week, but this week, we have an opportunity for 6th, 7th, and 8th graders. And I keep saying this week, but I mean next week. And on Wednesday, we're gonna have our first lunch bunch. It's gonna be with yours truly, Miss Romero and Miss Mata. We're pretty cool. We're kind of cool.
We are. I think we are. Hopefully they want to come see us.
I think you will. So all 6th, 7th, and 8th graders, you will receive that link. And this is just an opportunity for you guys to sit and talk. We're just going to be there to be there so that we
just want to hang out. We miss all your faces.
Yes, because we miss you guys. And we've been able to see a couple of you as you've dropped off projects, but we miss you. And then don't worry, 5th grade, you're also next week. You'll be on Friday. So 5th graders, look out for those links. I'll be sending them to your teachers and you get to spend a little time with us. But more importantly than just us, we want you to be able to spend time with some friends. So we hope that you are all able to join us. With all that said, I know that Miss Mata has some exciting news. Things are going to change up a little bit next Friday and some things will be happening as we come to the end of the month. So I'm going to pass it over to Miss Mata.
Yes, everybody. So like we said, we're trying to keep all of our spirits up with different activities for middle school and for our 5th graders. So as keeping with that theme, October, you may or may not know, is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. And so we thought for our Spirit Day next Friday, instead of wearing our Beardsley shirts, we would show our spirit by supporting the cause for breast cancer awareness by wearing pink, because that is the color that represents that that organization and raising money for that cause. So for next Friday, maybe you want to wear your Beardsley shirt, but maybe add some pink into what you wear that day. So that'll be our Spirit Day in support of breast cancer awareness. Wear some sort of pink. Maybe it's pink shoelaces, maybe it's pink pants, maybe it's a pink ribbon in your hair, or a pink hat.
I know what you could wear.
Your pink sunglasses. That's a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So, however you want to add some pink to, maybe you want to spray paint your hair pink. Same thing.
Ooh.
So, whatever way you want to participate, and please send us those pictures, and we want to post them. Your teachers can take pictures, which many did, and sent in your whole class Zoom call or Google Meets call with you wearing your sunglasses. Maybe you could do the same thing for breast cancer awareness and all of that pink. So something a little bit different for next Friday. Don't forget.
Do you want to remind them about student?
Oh, that's right. How could I forget about Student of the Month? So, as you know, we are focusing on making wise choices. There's my W, wise choices. So continue making those wise choices with all that you do surrounding your schoolwork, keeping your spirits up, working hard, putting in your best efforts, turning in your things on time. Remember, middle school has that incentive for turning in all of your work. We're almost to the end of the month because we want all our middle schools to be able to participate in the movie day. So we'll be talking to your teachers to see what movie they're going to show, because I'm guessing that it's going to be something around Halloween, maybe a little scary, not sure. So keep up your work, and that's how you can focus on doing wise choices. For our elementary kids as well, wise choices, that is the focus for this month. So your teachers, they're going to be looking and seeing which of their students they're going to honor for the month of October. We will have our Student of the Month assembly on October 30th, right, Ms. Romero?
Yep.
And so teachers will be turning in their names, and we'll have more certificates and more reasons to just share. That's got to be, I think, one of our favorite assemblies to do, because we get to say lots of students' names and all the great things that you guys are doing. So keep it up and keep making those wise choices.
And this month, Ms. Martha, they get some extra special ways to participate, because on October 30th, as we know, Halloween is the 31st, and for those who celebrate, you'll have an opportunity on that Friday to possibly be coming in and sharing with your class your costume under all the guidelines we always use, but we're going to be able to have a virtual costume little parade, but it would be within your classrooms, and we're going to take those pictures. So that's something else that's exciting. So that's going to be a full assembly of
yes,
the month, and then, or full day, I should say, and then pictures being sent in. So our social media will be popping,
blowing up.
Lots of likes.
So if you aren't following us, now's your time to go and follow, because we post lots of things all the time. We also have some other things. Don't we have a virtual book fair?
We do. I was just going to share that on October 28th, which is also another opportunity for students to come in their Halloween costume. So we're trying to do things that we can both virtually and then in person, but we have a virtual book fair. Now, your parents are receiving the information weekly in the parent memo. So if you want to get information, and your teachers also have this information, say, how do I order books? I want to get books in my hands. So there's a couple options. You can order online and have the books delivered to your house. There is a $25 minimum purchase, but I know that's super easy to do, and I'm sure you could get your parents to buy books, because books are a good reason to spend money, right?
Yeah.
But also, if you choose to buy the book packs, which you will also see online, those can actually be picked up and or purchased at our drive-through book fair. So though we don't have everything available for the drive-through, still come. You can still come and wave to us and say hi, even if you aren't purchasing a pack, but maybe you purchased online, or you just want to come by and say hi and show us your costume in your car.
That would be so much fun.
So much fun. So you are welcome to do that, but make sure you ask your parents to read that parent memo, and make sure that you ask your teachers for that link. All the information is there. And I know that yesterday we just posted information about our drive-through book fair on all of our social media. So be sure to check out all emails, all social media sites. Again, we want to make this as fun of an event as we can with all safety precautions and following all guidelines. So thank you for bringing that up, Ms. Mata. And I know Ms. Mata really, really, really wants you to purchase those books.
Yes.
She likes seeing those reading count points go up. She likes seeing those RAS plus levels go up. So read, read, read. So we can't encourage that enough. And thank you, a special thank you to Miss Adams for organizing that, who all of you know Miss Adams. She's here every day. If you saw her social media, you saw her with our glasses on. But there's a lot going on, but that's not till the 28th. So just a couple reminders. Next week, we have our Friday breast cancer awareness, wear pink. And then we also have student names that will be coming in so that Ms. Mata could start preparing for our assembly on the 30th. So these next 2 weeks is going to be really, really important. We also have Dia de los Muertos coming up. So I know so much. I know so many of you are working in your classrooms on getting your presentations ready, whether it be in class, but then also to present what you are working on during our event on November 2nd. So woo, that was a lot, but you guys are doing awesome. And we're trying to get you all involved, and we want you to stay positive. We want you to stay motivated. We want you to reach out to us if you have any questions, if you have any concerns. That goes for both students and parents and teachers. So remember, we're in this together, and it's been tough, but you know what? You're doing it. And
we can do this.
Impressed when I go into the classrooms. Your teachers are working extremely hard, and you guys are right up there with them every day. So thank you, thank you, thank you. I can't thank you enough every week. But I think those are all of our announcements. Boy, that was a lot.
That was a lot, but there's a lot to look forward to as well.
It is kind of exciting. You're right. These next 2 weeks are going to be pretty filled with extra activities. So we're excited about that. But with that said, do you have anything else to share?
I think that's a lot for today. Let's let that all sink in, and we'll plan some more for next week.
All right. So, and look on our social media. Ms. Mata told you guys, because there is a lot going on and there is a lot to remember. So we'll be reminding you, don't you worry about that. Okay. Oh, somebody wanted to come say hi.
Oh.
Hi. Hi, everybody. Keep doing the good work. Okay, he's here still. All right, boys and girls, you thought I wasn't going to remember bringing him out. Okay, well, with that said, it is time for our chant, but we got to stretch it out. Oh, Miss Mata, are you going to be okay this week?
Yeah, I'm seatbelted in the chair today, so I won't fall.
Whew. Okay, because got to make sure we're safe. All right, here we go. We're going to get our jiggles out in 1, 2, 3. Ah! Woo! Oh, I thought I lost her. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Woo! Oh, see, she keeps me. Okay, boys and girls, walk it out. Walk, 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 and let's run. Okay, and your hand. Roll it the other way. Ms. Mata, don't let it roll off.
Oh, it feels so good. My neck is cracking.
Roll your shoulders back. And roll them forward. And are you ready? Check it out.
I'm ready.
Check it out. Woo!
Woo!
Woo! That was fancy. Okay, here we go. In 1, 2, 3. I can
And I will have pride in myself in my school.
I
Can and I will
have a
A
positive.
positive attitude. I can and I will make wise choices.
I can and
I will
act safely.
safely. I can and I will. I can and I will. I can and I will. Woo!
Girls, make it a great day. Work hard today. Enjoy your weekend. Take a big breath when things get a little tough, but you got this because the choice is
yours.
It was great seeing you today. We'll see you later.